money concerns. It's hoped the mystery donation could help keep their doors open after the church managed to sell the coins for £30,000. Reverend Jane Lee, who found the coins, was amazed at the gift.
We just burst into tears when we saw it. We just couldn't believe it. It was like a miracle, because it's so desperately needed for the church, and it was just wonderful. It just lifted our spirits, and it was definitely an Easter miracle.
Temperatures in the UK